Good morning, mighty owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Wednesday, December 2nd, 2020. It's a C day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDSL Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. We had our first second grade Royal Reader, Jacob Hansen. Nice job, Jacob. Everybody else, keep reading, reading, reading. Remember, December the 17th is our next virtual Royal Reader celebration. So keep on reading and testing so you can be a Royal Reader. Nice job. Also, scholars, remember, next week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for our 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders, we will be having our semester exams. What's that going to look like, you're asking? Well, we're going to test those scholars that are in person from 8 in the morning until 12:45. At 12:45 until 4:45, the scholars that are virtual will be tested. So, next week, 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade, be ready for your semester exams. Keep working hard and doing an amazing job. Today's a great day to learn. Hoot, hoot!